Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we take the hype out of beauty products and focus on what really works. Imagine a product that promises to keep your brows exactly where you want them without adding color or heaviness. That's what we're looking at today. The Estée Lauder Brow Now Stay in Place Setting and Styler Eyebrow Gel in Clear. A sleek little tube designed to lock brows in place with a lightweight gel formula. This product is meant for anyone who wants polished brows without the extra pigment. It comes in a clear gel format, packaged in a slim 0.06 phthalates tube. The finish is glossy when first applied, but dries down without stickiness. Its main claim is long wear hold, keeping brows styled and tamed throughout the day. Now, in terms of real-world use, I integrated this into my daily routine alongside my usual brow pencil. The gel applies easily with the built-in spoolie applicator. It coats evenly without clumping, which is often an issue with clear gels. I tested it on both light makeup days and during a full glam look, and what stood out was that it never left flakes or that stiff, crunchy feel. It does hold the brows in place, though I found it worked best for people with naturally fine to medium thickness brows. If you have very coarse or unruly brows, the hold may not be strong enough on its own. One of the biggest strengths is how natural the finish looks. It doesn't add shine or residue once it sets. However, on the downside, the tube size is tiny for the price, and if you're someone who uses brow gel daily, you might run through it fairly quickly. Let's pause here. If this review is helping you, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. That way, other beauty lovers can find this video too. And your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this on Beautyistic. Now, when considering value for money, Estée Lauder is undeniably a luxury brand, so the price tag reflects that. For what you get, a small amount of clear gel, the cost is on the higher end compared to drugstore alternatives. Brands like ELF or NYX offer clear brow gels that perform similarly in terms of taming, though they may not have the same refined applicator or smooth finish. Still, if you're loyal to Estée Lauder or love products that lean lightweight and refined, you might see the extra expense as justified. The packaging itself feels sturdy and sleek, which is consistent with Estée Lauder's brand image. The spoolie brush is tapered and not oversized, making it easy to maneuver even for precise brow shaping. As for longevity, once applied, the product lasted throughout a typical workday without the need for touch-ups. Although humidity did test it a little, it held up but softened slightly in very warm conditions. Overall, this brow gel is elegant, simple, and effective for everyday grooming. It's not the strongest hold on the market, but it strikes a nice balance between control and a natural finish. If you're someone with fine to medium brows who values a polished but understated look, this could be a solid fit. On the other hand, if your brows are thick, coarse, or especially unruly, you may want to explore alternatives with a stronger setting power. Thank you for visiting Beautyistic today. If you've tried the Estée Lauder Brow Now Stay in Place Eyebrow Gel, let me know in the comments. Did it hold your brows the way you wanted? The link to check it out for yourself is down in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.